nasa bag drop na tayo dahil nakapag-online check-in na. So yung problem na lang natin is bag drop and then immigration. I'll let you know later papayagan ba tayo pumasok.
Tapos na kami mag-check-in. Naantay na lang namin si Nika.
Yay! So, pwede na kaming sabi na pupunta kami ng Bali. Nakalagpas na kami sa immigration. So, ang flight namin is 7:50, 50 pa. So, 4-hour flight siya going to Bali. We're just looking for some food or like coffee. Yung tanong ng immigration, ano yung tanong sa'yo? Mga questions. Anong first question?
Kailan ako uwi? And then, sinong kasama?
Okay.
Sabi ko, jowa ko, taka friend. Sabi niya, anong jowa? Girlfriend, boyfriend?
Actually, tinanong din yan
Tinanong,
last time, no? Ako ba yung tinanong last time? Or ikaw?
Walam.
Alam ko
ngayon lang ako natanong yun.
Oo. So ako ngayon ang tanong. Sinong partner mo? Sabi ko. And then other questions?
Anong trabaho ko?
Okay.
VA. Pag katapos na, wala na.
Pwede ba ako magsalita dito ako? So ayan, while waiting for our scheduled flight, discuss ko muna yung mga Bali requirements. So if it's your first time going to Bali, ito yung mga requirements. Una is, of course, you have to book your flight. And then, of course, is Philippine e-travel and customs declaration. Second one is e-customs declaration form for Bali. After that, fill out Satu Sihat Health Pass. After that, mag-book ng eSIM. Meron kang mabubook sa Klook. Next one is yung private transfer. Sino?
Malaga ng privacy na bawal isa mangyari po.
Birthday na nasa
Gusto ba ito?
Ilan? Zero.
Thank you, Christian.
Good, finally we can rest. Not in peace.
Nasaan yung mga ID?
Nandito.
Uy!
Sorry, Danya, may CPU daw.
Ganda nga. Ano ba nakalagay? 403. Do the honors. Dito ba sila pumasok? Yung ano? Wala di ako kay? Dali mo ni Kimbe.
Excited ka sa breakfast? Same!
Birthday.
Thank you. Good morning! So officially this is our day 1 here in Canggu. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa kanilang swimming pool kasi we avail their floating breakfast. Yung room na nandun, nasa pinakataas yan yung room namin. That's a family room and that's already good for 3. So if you wanna book that through Klook, use my code KimBulanKlook. Wow! Thank you! Wow! Masay cool. We just put it. Sana lang.
Breakfast in bed. In charge.
Yes, sky. Anything sky blue. Ay, cute.
Ganda. Perfect kayo lang. Cheers, cheers.
Bumaba tayo dito sa Dalampasigan. Dalampasigan! Nakali nila dito, no? Hindi white, kundi blackish. Pero, this is a good surfing area. Tingnan mo naman ang dami ng tayong mauunang magbubukas ng kanilang buffet breakfast. So this is the fruit section and salad. Okay. This is the food, then ayan. Actually, they're replenishing the food pa. So bread section. Here. Juices. And I think coffee here.
Yung timpla is ano good?
Lasagna?
Lasagna. Spaghetti yung kwan.
Okay. Check.
Nakapwesto na kami kanina sa Times Beach Warung, kaso biglang ulan.
This one here.
Ano careers yan? Slot pala sa kanya. Kasi nasa Taiwan talaga. Ang ginawa sa akin. Pero ano yun? Ginawang tapos
Para siyang karinderya. Tapos, ito yung pipili. O dami.
Combination ng chicken, isang leg part. This is also shredded chicken pero maanghang.
Tempura.
Tempura, bok choy, and then yellow rice.
Ay, English? What?
Wala na. Yay!
Hello. One ice latte. Ice latte. Ice long neck. Long neck. This one ice Thai latte.
Thank you!
That looks good. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes! Pag ikaw nawala.
Going back to our room and then freshen up.
And then,
We go out after.
Eat muna tayo. Parang string beans. Pickled.
parang ito yung famous na Dubai? Lord.
You can get one. Masarap. Kaya mo na.
Bintang mo.
Pwede nga ako mag-adjust. Pwede naman hindi ako pumunta.
Ano yung sinakyan natin?
Ha? Gojek. Gojek car for 290. So for
Oh, yeah.
150, so around 5 to 5.
Let's go inside.
Tara. Una. Nice kanya sis. Ika. Look at that. Maganda natin video.
Ang rice table say lang because na ano.
Pero may signage din naman. Kayo mag-away dyan, ha?
Doon ako. Wala talaga.
Balikan ko na lang mamaya.
Hindi ka kinakabahan.
Eh, okay lang kasi go tayo.
Pero
Hindi naman
magkano
ano.
lang naman nun?
Okay lang nilagay ko.
Pero kaya
Kunin ko ulit yung loob para sure.
You don't mind? Ano dyan
Canggu, yes.
Was there something spicy? Look.
McDonald's have salt float.
Yes, made for you. Ano to? Wala, walang rice.
Eh?
Chicken.
Fine. 1 million kakachop.
Hello. They're going on a swimming. They're going on a swimming.
For a swim?
They're going for a swim. I-edit mo to ah.
Hindi. Pakita kasing bobo ka.
Yung price range niya is yung 3 pieces, 5 pieces, and additional 29k. So, kahit ano dyan,
Gusto umabot ka ng 3. I can choose 314, pwede.
That's skinny. Is she skinny?
No.
Please,
Stop.
tawad lang.
We are transferring to another hotel. Pero, magsasurf muna kami. Hala! Thank you! She's so worried. Patingin. Thank you, girl.
Thank you.
Hi, ganda na lang yun. Thank you so much.
Ano nga pangalan niya? Nakalimutan ko kahapon.
So maghahanap kami ngayon ng instructor for surfing. So si Ryan muna ngayon yung mag-surfing with an instructor. Ito pala yung prices nila. So we'll be paying 400k para dito. Ready ka na?
Siya hindi pa.
Nakipagkwentuhan pa.
Panalo si Abel.
Meanwhile,
Nababalik na si Ryan. Ayun na siya.
Doon tayo sa kabila. Doon pa tayo. Sabi ko pa naman sa kanya, tatlo kami may magsusumpat dalawa. Wala na yung foundation ko.
Ay, ano siya? Bamboo.
Okay.
Hindi ba po ito?
Kaya nga, buti nga wala. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care. Take care. Dito nakakay. I can see it now. Sabi mo kay kuya, masarap. Ako.
Special?
Medyo 34 niya, kurang nasi goreng ya kak.
Nasi goreng.
Thank you.
Asya.
Damn. Our cravings.
Have been satisfied.
Lagi.
Say the samsam.
Wow. Bigyan natin si Nico kasi kawawa. Hindi kawawa.
So good and it's so cheap.
Dark chocolate. Chocolate. Good morning! So, having our buffet breakfast dito sa may Horizon Semenya. You know what? Ang daming option ng food nila sa buffet breakfast. Spirit animal ko yung Nika. Ha? Sila may didi sila.
Ay, wait ko yan.
Ayun.
Ay. So nice, guys.
Yeah. Wala nang
Nika's
signal,
recommendation.
So, yeah. No signal,
So,
but it's okay.
Yan. Wala masyadong tao.
So, done na tayo doon sa Yang Beach. We're transferring to a different beach or maybe eat muna ng lunch. But for now, hanap ko ng shower area kasi ang lagkit ko at hindi pa nakapag-shower. 5,000? Okay lang.
We're here sa Uluwatu Beach. Lolitas. Ganda ng view namin. Nasa cliff ulit kami. So magaganda yung view na nasa gilid ng dagat.
This, parang...
Ganda ng view namin. Yung sa harap namin ay mga nagsiserve. Ganda pa rin.
Oh, that's the point. Ito yun.
Ito nga, blue point nga. Diyan yun sa baba.
second day and last day here in Seminyak. Tapos, after this, we'll be transferring to Ubud. And we'll explore Ubud for technically 2 days lang. And then we'll go back home.
Guys, nag-away sila guys. Hindi ako makakain.
It might take 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, I think, papunta sa Ubud from Seminyak. Hopefully, hindi pa masyadong traffic today. Pero kasi yung time right now is 10 a.m. So, hopefully, mga 12 noon, nandun na kami.
Alin? Oh, it's here? Yeah. Okay. This is our very good driver.
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating villa/hotel dito sa Ubud. Kararating lang namin right now 12 noon pa lang. I think hopefully makakapag-check-in tayo ng early, but this is the vibe outside of our room. Yan, may swimming pool. There is also dalawang swimming pool. Oh, dalawang swimming pool. Maganda kasi may mga puno, may mga tawag dito. Tapos meron ding restaurants outside as well. Yung reception area nila ang laki. Also may mga monkeys din dito. May nakita ko kaninang monkey. But bawal silang pakainin.
Rate nyo si Nika from 1 to 4 lang.
Upon booking kasi pag chinek mo siya sa Klook, yung photos nila hindi ganung pamilya natin, yung photos nila hindi ganung kagandahan sa Klook. Pero pag nandito ka na, it is really different. Maganda, malaki yung villa, may dalawang swimming pool.
Oo, near man kay Forest, kaya siguro tumatawid yung unggoy dito. So ngayon, we are going to have lunch kasi hindi pa kami makapag-check-in.
Lunchtime na at napunta kami dito sa harap ng Monkey Forest. Ang pangalan ng restaurant nito ay Social Monkeys. Gutom na kami. Anong oras na? 1:25. Kapag sa'yo? Hilig ka pala sa noodles?
Anong sakal? Ako?
Ikahat sa saka. Strawberry Danish, pan au chocolat, cappuccino, tiramisu latte, and then creme brulee latte.
Parang mo, kung ano ko alam mo ba?
Grabe na siyang nasa yung truffle.
Amoy ko nga dito eh.
How's your coffee so far?
So good.
Masarap din yung akin.
So far so good. Baon.
Yan.
She's scared.
super good. Ang daming like mga interesting spots na hindi mo alam makakalain na. Doy!
Adventure kung adventure.
Adventure ko na adventure. As in, sulit yung bayad.
Worth it?
Pero okay naman siya as a beginner.
So, we were able to take a bath, change our clothes kasi sobrang basa at hindi namin na-expect yung waterfalls. Doon sa ATV ride, it is 1 hour actually activity. With break naman siya, siguro mga 5 minutes, no? Break. Nandito na kami, nakapag-order na kami kasi it comes with free food sa order namin.
The plan is very short. That one is the bean is still young. If you already come, the red color is possible to pick. But it's for the taste of the Arabica is less strong.
Covering it.
Oh, this is the one. Called the animal.
Civet, yeah.
That one is a natural animal. Just active in the night always. And the swallow of the bean. So fermentation until 3 days and cook.
No, stop. Wanna say hi to your friends, your fans?
Eat papaya. Like this.
Wala, it's so sweet.
This we collect from the forest. After the already bought 1 kilogram.
Okay.
Stay strong.
She's strong. Napahiya ako.
Yes.
Oh.
Because too much drink ginseng, 3 cup one day.
Strong.
Strong.
Yes. It smells so good.
So later, you can compare smell of the luwak coffee.
Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Pimulan Coffee Plantation and we're enjoying so far kasi yung tour guide namin in-explain niya sa amin kung about every tree, every plant.
This is your free tasting.
Okay.
And now you can enjoy drink. I want to prefer the luwak.
Yung tapang.
Ano? Bali coffee?
Oo. Vanilla coffee.
No.
Top 1 dito kayo lalagay. This is coconut coffee. Of course, this is my favorite. Chocolate coffee. Sakto lang sa coffee, pero I have 3 favorites. Vanilla coffee, coconut coffee, and chocolate coffee.
Yung sa ano.
So katatapos lang ng tour namin, so we had so much fun. It was extreme and at the same time holistic. Ngayon naman, nandito tayo ngayon sa Monkey Legend. It's like 5 to 7 minutes walk from our hotel.
Are you content creator?
Just kidding.
Multiple times.
One banana cake.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. And try to
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Same yesterday.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah.
Same table.
Thank you so much for coming again.
Thank you.
Power bank.
Okay.
Yan, tingnan ko yun. Ako parati yung may utang sa inyo. Tinapon niyo yung kape niya. Ako yung kaitiman ko.
Ba, natanggapin mo.
Sweet.